In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started, knowing how to set up payments efficiently is crucial for smooth financial operations. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease, so let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on Sign In. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Once you're on the sign-in page, you'll see a few options. Make sure to choose QuickBooks Online. This is the platform where we'll be setting up your payments. Next, you'll need to log in with your QuickBooks credentials. Type in your username and password, then hit Continue. It's always a good idea to double check that your login details are correct to avoid any unnecessary frustration. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is your central hub for all financial activities. Now let's navigate to the Sales tab. This is where you can manage all things related to customers, including payments. Simply click on Sales and you will be redirected to a page where you can view and track sales activities. It's like having a digital bookkeeper at your fingertips, helping you stay organized and on top of your finances. Moving forward, look for an option labeled Recurring Payments. Click on it, which will allow you to set up payments that recur on a regular basis, such as monthly subscription fees or regular service payments. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses with repeating transactions, saving you time and effort in the long run. Afterwards, you'll need to click on Set Up Payments. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details to tailor the payment setups according to your needs. This includes choosing the right payment methods and entering specific information about the payments you'll be receiving. It's essential to ensure every detail is accurate to avoid any issues. Before we wrap up, a quick note. Remember that setting up payments is a feature available only with paid subscriptions or upgraded plans in QuickBooks Online. Investing in the upgraded plan not only unlocks this feature but also provides you with a wealth of other tools to effectively manage your business finances. With these simple steps, you've learned how to set up payments in QuickBooks Online. This powerful tool helps streamline your transactions, letting you focus on the important aspects of running your business. Thanks for tuning in today and happy managing with QuickBooks Online.